Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great day. Well, today as you can see we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. Let's find out what's in the bag. Kind of a big stiff bag. Oh, it looks like we have cross stitch. Get it out of the bag. All right. This bag comes from, let's see, VIPCrossStitch. And this is going to be part 1. Part 2 is going to be next Sunday. So let's just get to it here. Let me see. All right, so the first one that we have is a 35 by 60. It was $9.14. Isn't that pretty? Let me get it out of the bag here for you. All right, I am back. Isn't that just beautiful? Just love all the purple flowers and the little birds. It's gorgeous. I need a drink. Sorry, guys. Take a look at this paper pattern. It does have the product number at the top. And it looks like everything's going in the general right direction. That's a good thing, especially after 2 like the others. It does have instructions here on how to start, how to finish. So it's going to be kind of long and skinny. At the bottom here it says 34 by 59 or 35 by 60. We'll see. It's 125 by 233. Let me move my scissors out of the way so I don't get stabbed. There we go. Has 38 colors. Very nicely printed. Not seeing any smudges or smears. See what colors we have. We have mulberry, which is 154. We have 310 black, no 550 purple, no 823, no 939, no 3371, or 3865. So maybe they're using like a light pink or a light blue or a light yellow for a white. So we'll see. But very nicely printed. Let me just hold that up for you. Very clear, very easy to see. So that's good. What else was in the bag? Well, we have a dolphin, maybe? So we have 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader. I've never seen that on one of the little bags before. But it's a little fish. He's so cute. We're just going to set that aside. Set the canvas aside and move it out of my way. Now everything's on thread drops. It does have the product number here. It doesn't say how big it is. Hang on. All right, I am back. Now, let me get that out of the way. See if I can give it a good toss here. It seems to be kind of, what do you call it, muted colors. So you have beautiful mulberry colors, rose colors, pale yellow, pale pink, kind of a medium to light blue or light purple. But they don't seem like really bright, vivid, jewel tone colors, but that's okay. Just really pretty. I like the way it looked. Let's put this up here. We have tag-alongs today. Oh my goodness. Hold please. Okay, let's look at that canvas. Like I said, it's going to be kind of skinny. It's not real darkly printed, but you can still see everything. Very nice. Now the stitching, it does have serging all the way around. And it looks like they dang near cut all the numbers off, almost. I mean, it's just within a hair's breadth of being cut off here. But you have your paper pattern, and it's nice and clear. It does tell you how big it is here, 34 by 59, and it's 125 by 233. Let's see how big this is. I'm trying not to knock everything off my desk. See how close they came to all their sizes. All right, it says 59 centimeters, or a little over 23 inches by 30, a little over 34 and a half, or almost 13 3/4 inches. The actual picture size is almost 11 and a half, or 29 centimeters by a little over 20 3/4, or 53 centimeters. So it's not very wide, but it looks like it might be easy to stitch. Does have bigger areas, and then it's got a little bit of confetti. I couldn't think of what I wanted to say. And there may be some confetti up in here where they've used two symbols. So we'll just have to wait and see. Whoops, sorry, didn't mean to hit the thing. It's kind of a stiff material. So, very nice. I do like the colors in that. Sometimes you got to have them instead of jewel tones. All right, let me get the next one out of its bag. All right, it is this one. Is that not gorgeous? Just all glittery looking, beautiful colors. This is a 50, I have to look, 58, I think it's either 50 or 58 because I'm not seeing anything written anywhere. Oh, yes it is, it's right here. 50 by 73 centimeters. And it was $14.83. This is one of the newer ones. Very nice. Very nice indeed. I'll bring it up as close as I possibly can. It's kind of a darkish tone picture, but very pretty. It does come with an instruction book. It also comes with instructions on how to start, how to finish, the same ones that were on the last one. And in the little booklet, it has the product number here. This is the rest of the numbers. Now, I don't know if the canvas will match this or not. It's 170 by 272. And it's all on one page. You know. So it does have 40 colors. Nope, I was looking to see if it had any back stitching or anything, but very nicely printed. I'm assuming that we don't have these symbols because they're pretty intricate for this kind of a thing. Yeah, but very nice. Let's see, we have 154, which is mulberry, 310 black, 321 red, let me see, 600 red, 666 red, no 550 purple. We have 823, no 939. Let me see if there's anything else I recognize. Whoops, it was on the other side, wasn't it? Let's see, we do have 3865 for white, and that is the ones I recognize. But very nicely printed. Let me hold it so you can see it. Very well done. Yeah, that background's going to be something else, isn't it? Oh my goodness. That's a lot of 310 black. All right, let's see what we got going in here. It does have, I was going to say it didn't have a toolkit, but it has a needle attached here. And you have 1, 2, 3 in here, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader. I'm going to see if I can get that needle put back in there so it doesn't get lost. I don't see any other needles yet, so we'll just set that aside somewhere easily. Okay, let's take a look at the threads. They're on thread cards. All right. So this is one where there's 2 numbers here, 2 slots for the same color. Down here you have 2 slots for this color. Very nice. I'm not seeing any extra hanks. Let's see what we got going over here. And you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slots for the 310 black, because I'm gonna say there's a lot of it, but everything else is just single. But beautiful, beautiful colors. We have reds and bright yellows, and there's that mulberry, and we have, I don't know if you can see that, there's a purple there as well. Very nice. So hopefully this will have lots of good colors and stitch up real nice. We even have a vivid turquoise and a bright, bright orange and 2 shades of red, some darkish blue. Beautiful. And there's that peacock bluish teal. I'm not real sure what color that is. I just call it peacock blue. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Beautiful colors. Put that up there. And let's take a look at the canvas. Yes, the symbols are different, so the paper pattern does not match. We have, I'm trying to fold it just so I could get to it, the product number here. It is 70 by 272. It is serged all the way around, and this is kind of a lighter weight material than the last one. Nice, big, easy to see key, and the stitching does not go into the key, so that helps. And there's nice big areas to stitch. Some have a little bit more confetti in it than others, but that's going to bring out your detail. So very, very nice. Very nicely done. Nice wide margins. I'd say that was almost 2 inches. And then up here, gosh, turn it, fold. Another 2 inches, but on this side here, that's like 3 or 4 inches because it has a salvaged edge. So sometimes they give you a little bit more, you know, just for the loss. So let's see what we got. Hang on. We got 70.5 centimeters or 27 3/4 inches by 'If I could get it all straightened out here, 50 centimeters or 19 3/4. The actual picture size is 15 1/4 inches or 38 and little over 38.5 centimeters. The actual up and down size is, let's see here, is 24.5 or a little over 62 centimeters. So it's pretty good size, and it's got big areas. It's got small, you know, small confetti put things. I think I would start with the top of the peacock's head and just work this peacock head down to like his collar. And hang on, I'm scrunching this up here. It does have numbers for the big areas. Do you see them like with the circles? Or yeah, it is a circle around them. So that's very nice. Now some of those that they printed, before these, they didn't have the numbers. So I guess people complained that there was no number. And sometimes it gets a little hairy, you know, because there's different symbols and stuff. So yeah, but I'm glad they did put those in because it does help the beginner, you know. Anybody that hasn't done this, I wouldn't start with this, but, you know, hey, each to his own. All right, so that is it for part 1. Now, VIPCrossStitch usually has free shipping over $69. They have a separate Joy Sunday section, and they do beaded embroidery and regular embroidery. They also have custom. If they have any specials, I will put that at the beginning of this video and also in the description box below. So check that out. They always have great prices, great customer service, and it usually takes about 2 weeks to get it here in the States. I have no idea about anybody else, you know, and what, you know, if they've ordered it. I ordered from them personally and had absolutely no problems. So thank you for VIPCrossStitch for sending me these beautiful kits. They are lovely. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.